Hello there, welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live. On the Gist today, Nollywood actor Yemi Solade speaks on Twitter ban, supports federal government ban of Twitter. Let's check out details. Nollywood actor Yemi Solade on Friday in Lagos spoke about the ban of Twitter in Nigeria, saying that he is in full support of the federal government. He also said Twitter went overboard by disrespecting the president and therefore deserved the ban by the government. Let's check out the statement by the Nollywood actor.
For all I care. One, it's something that is coming from everyone's fundamental human right to express oneself. But even at that, I will not subscribe to malicious posts. I will not subscribe to hate comments, speeches, and what have you, videos. Well, why are we talking about this now? Coincidentally, before we got to this place, to the social media hangout, the Bodex affair, nobody knew Twitter was going to be banned. But here we are, staring at us in the face, stark reality. It's been banned. Everybody thought it was a huge joke. And we went checking if it was actually true, but it's true. I think Twitter went too far, insulting the president of Nigeria, and by extension, insulting all of us. Some 200 million people of Nigeria, the most populous black nation on earth. You know, I think about 45% of subscribers, more or less, Nigerians, make Twitter very thick, you know. And this is not the first time Twitter will try to humiliate Nigerians. It happened to Pastor Chris Oyakilome years back. And so I think the white supremacist imperialist tendency should be curbed sometimes. As much as I'm of the opinion that everybody has right to expression, to thought, but then when a platform is used to want to foment trouble, to want to project, anarchy, there should be rules regulating such practices. But in this case, a lot happens on Twitter. I'm not really a Twitter fan. I do little.
And that's all the gist we have for you today. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live before you go.